Sit down, ladies.
You need to take video later. So yesterday you went to the Ocean Park, right? What did you see there?
To ensure driving safety, you must fasten your seatbelt after boarding a bus. Standing and walking during the journey are still prohibited.
Cable coming to say that like a car. You ride that one?
Так даже быстрее, чем на лодке. И удобнее. Там нужно было бы опять ехать, как лодка. Хотя на моей фреске было идти, так казалось.
Silbat mo, be.
Oo, be.
Yes. Napansin daw.
iPhone ставить.
Hindi kasi ako nag-seatbelt. Hindi ako comfy ate. Yeah.
Но это какая-то чуть ли не самая длинная.
Thank you so much.
Самая длинная. Да, совсем недавно построенный мост.
No? No, this is
Я не знаю, я нигде 4 часа не видел ни в одном месте. Было написано, что вся дорога берет 2 часа.
Mga 1 tayo makakarating. Sino?
Какие есть пока там
Алигая?
пока метро, пешком.
Потом на аудио beat up.
Скажем так.
Welcome to Philippines.
Again.
欢迎乘坐港珠澳大桥穿梭巴士。
Километров он дойдет.
本班次目的地是澳门。
Там 200
为了
едет.
安全着想，
Are you scared?
请坐稳自安全带，照顾好同行儿童及有需要的人士，祝您旅途愉快。
I mean, you can swim even like this.
Это было бы
作为
интересно.
天沙八行，我们会向你过关心。
Очень любитель морских путешествий.
Oh, you keep training for how many
Меня не укачивают, но не получаю удовольствия.
Welcome aboard the Hong Kong Johannesburg Bridge Shuttle Bus. This trip's destination is in Macau. For your safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt while the bus is in motion. Take care of children and those in need. We wish you a pleasant journey.
Oh yeah. Just now only I saw. You see this one. You read this one. You read this one.
Sabi nga
So it means
sa Ilocos.
it's prohibited.
Ito, anak ko yung Alden. Maganda yung yung anak ko
Часа 3 потусоваться.
I didn't see this one. Just oh
Можно
my
видеть,
god.
когда походу делаю еще потом ближе к 3, ну, к 5.
It's a silent
Кого-то
flight.
съедим, как не тяжелую.
It's about how to relax. Kaya nga daw. Close your eyes. Buti pa daw itong dalawa. You want some sleeping music?
Увидимся, придем, это опять, или там не поделать.
Pakain mo, kainin daw nila.
Which one? Butterfly. Yeah. It is.
Sinag-video ko kami, di ba na ano?
But it died.
Не, можно поискать.
Sila nga nagpapait, pero feel lang nila.
Не катаясь на это.
Okay?
Не катаясь вечернее видно.
Tingnan mo yung building o magkakamukha. Oo nga po. Nila.
Kasi Hong Kong, puro building. Lahat ng bundok na kami ng building.
Когда?
nga eh.
May wala tayong sister naman eh. Pero pwede ako sa 45 minutes po. Kasi mga 30, ganun. Basta
Okay, like that.
А ты попробуй.
You see, it's so nice to hear that one with ate. What are you gonna say?
Make sure you don't
Конечно, она попробует.
It's about Jungle Time. You never get a closet. Oh yeah, cool.
Да, 7 километров туннель.
Okay? Maybe if you want to sleep, you just
I put sleeping music for Isabel so she can
wear a seatbelt. When you hear the song, you're gonna fall asleep. Oh really? So every night you
Wala nang connection.
And I can see your
Yeah, my
eyes.
battery is full charge.
Coming down already. You know, this one is water. I mean, this one. It's water. Under the water.
Sino nag-sound yung lahat ko?
Ah, si Isabel. Gusto mo matulog.
Uy, hinaan nyo lang kasi yan.
Ayan, para matulog sila.
Okay, sorry. I just closed it.
Не было ни семки.
Why you keep smiling? Just gonna hold it.
Вот и канал. Ну там конкретно.
This one.
Сколько минут? 20, да? Ты?
Okay, you sleep now.
Kung may nila tumandang may kiyan, mantikinay. May kinay, managagag na. TV.
You don't have a bad cake?
Oh,
Let me get you a ticket. Let me get you a ticket.
Come here.
How about things?
Just gonna take this off and then if you fall asleep. Like that. Okay. Like that.
Yeah?
Wait. Okay. Yeah?
Is are you sure you need sleeping music?
Yeah!
You'll survive without it, okay? You don't need sleeping music, okay? Go to sleep.
Это честно.
Pinatayos lang.
Зачем? Мост такой не детский.
Winter.
Километров в час.
Really?
Или едет, именно больше нельзя. Сколько? 70-80. Камера тут никаких она много. Купаться никто не купается.
Really? No, he was last year at the big party at your place. He was there. We went to the playground and with cake, with other kids.
На лодке ничего интересного тут. Ну, наверное. Море, в принципе, спокойно.
Is he
Я там вообще не понял, что он просто стоял. Он еле идет. Нет, это... Хотя...
Yung longest bridge ng the world.
Час ехать.
Say Macau, China, Hong Kong, Coconut.
Да, есть. Далеко.
Pero puro dagat lang na.
Tumayo ka, Juan?
Ha?
Tourist guide, tumayo ka.
How much ah? Hindi pwedeng free.
Tahanan ko siya.
Siyempre, sasabihin daw nito.
Pag sa China nga, kumakanta pa ng mga Pinoy song yung tourist guide dun. Pero Chinese sila. Bigyan mo na siya ng tip. Next time, China tayo. Wag ano.
Let's see here. Let's see.
Zhuhai. Z-H-U-H-A-I.
Куча каких-то островов. Ну да, скорее всего. Поедем там.
Be, sabihin mo sa underground na tayo ng water dadaan.
Ha?
Sa underground water na tayo dadaan. Underground water na. Ilalim daw.
Kanan.
Ilalim na po. Yan po, ilalim na po ng dagat tayo dadaan.
Все, дорога заканчивается.
Underwater.
Бескрайние просторы
Okay guys,
юго-запада.
we are now approaching the
Юго-севера
tunnel.
Монголии.
Bring us to
Жесть, конечно.
the underwater bridge tunnel going to Macau. Please stay seated. Oy, isang wine yun, ha? Ayan, oh. Ano yan? Hong Kong tourist. Hong Kong tourist
Все,
spot.
сейчас дадут
This one,
каяки.
nasa money yung bill ng HK. This one, tourist spot of Hong Kong. One of the heritage.
Pag tumayo ka dyan, bigyan ka nilang pera. Isa mo lang yung bag mo.
We are now approaching the tunnel. Kuya, patulog naman, no? Kuya, kuya.
I was taking care of. What did you guys do? We went to the hotel and showered.
Kasi mga engineer ng ano to, ng mga Korean.
I was reading.
May naging ex kaya akong Korean, Korean supervisor. Gumawa ng dish dito. Oo, Korean. Mga Korean. Nagbumila yun ng Korean eh. Fling lang din, fling lang yun. Then, taga-ano siya, taga-libre eh.
In contact.
Kasi ano sila, mga generous ba? Tapos mga pag gusto pa nila, generous sila parang Japanese dish.
In country, no, it was like I was there.
Not in the movie.
I was I broke my. Oh wait, I'll show you.
Bel.
How about yung Gatorade Sleepy?
Sa bobot.
I was her. I danced as her.
Di ba na-abel ko sa'yo? Ikaw niya ng channel.
Ayun na lang. Kasi manipis pala to ate.
Sa'yo na yan.
Ha? Mabit siya.
Kasi pag shopping bag, nalagayan na namin ng ano yan. Kaya pag shopping ka.
May mga bibili doon sa Macau.
Thank you, thank you. Bibili sana namin doon kahapon yung maliliit.
Meron ko yan binili sa China. Shenzhen. Yun.
Meron doon sa ano yung Coke, pero ano yung maliliit.
Yung may HK yan.
Yung may mga design na ano.
Ilang oras din po yung sa'yo.
Pag sa bunga sa Shenzhen, mga ano lang po, mga pagaling tayo ng airport, so mga almost 2 hours.
Ano yun? Bus day?
Kasi pag border yung sa Longhulok Machao, malapit na doon. Ito lang mura ng mga binili dito. Pati hotel na.
Oo.
Ay, so sorry. Step by sleeping already. Ayun, also Jane? Kuya Jane? Ay. Sige po, kuya pag dyan? Ito na, we're now approaching next bridge. The new streets. Para galing na sila eh. Wala na itong U-turn eh. Hindi pwedeng ano. Kaya paglabas ito, Macau na. Walang U-turn dito.
Diretsuhan.
Walang break. Kahit naigi ka na, wala. Wala stopover.
Tawag sa atin. Point to point.
Yan. Pag private ka, kailangan yung apply ng another
Макао еще на
license.
172 километра. А вот это полностью, это тоже это интересно. Это огромный китайский город. Это уже материк.
don't have to wake up early. Oh, we wake up at. I wake up at 6. She wakes up at 7. Once you're done, they come to your sleep. I can take the bus. Do you take the bus? If I'm gonna go in my home, I'm gonna go. It's like 30 minutes walk or 20. In my school, in Australia, everyone drives my car. I drive my dad directly. Too much English? I don't know. It's too hard.
Halfway na tayo. Halfway.
Ito yung ano, boundary.
Yun daw.
Ha?
Ito daw yung boundary sa amin dito.
Wala siyang boundary kasi directional ko lang. Direct. Pwede lang ng private class can enter Macau.
Filipino word. That's it. Yeah. I don't know anything. No, how are you? I can understand some, but I can't say.
Туман проявляется.
Kayo rin Macau. Macau na po siya.
I know Spanish, Vietnamese, Japanese, and English, but not together. Not together.
Pinakamalapit actually pag ferry. Pag ferry kasi mismo ano na siya, parang city na. Malapit tayo sa mga paaralan. Itong ano,
We
bus.
have Japanese.
Siya ito yung bagong ano lang. Pero pinakaunang transport, ferry.
Ayan, so kami dinadala ng private.
So, we cover subject is Filipino, Math, Science, MRC. English, AP, I think so.
Моя?
We have more subjects. But due to all of that in one day, for us, we have 1 hour per subject. And plus we don't do it all. It's too many. I don't know how many. Maybe 20 plus. You should come to Australia. It's very Have you been to Australia? No. It's my first love. Going with friends. And I like it. I've gone to Spain many times. It was scary.
Pero dito mo tayo, ano yan? Kahit makakagkata yan mo yun.
Hindi na siya bumana.
Ito, ano ko sa akin, connect, hotspot.
I've tried guys learn American.
Is it still okay, passport?
So I'm trying to speak American and not Australian.
Passport. Diba ba? Ito yung passport siya. Ayun.
Instead of saying
Надо такси заказать обратно.
instead
Или на
of
поезде
saying
поехать.
breakfast, say brekkie. Instead of saying
Из надбага.
avocado, say avocado. Instead of saying barbecue,
А мне лучше на такси. У нас 4 чемодана. И потом доехал до этого. Все равно надо брать такси до Натальи.
and instead of
Да?
how do you call shopping cart? Do you call it shopping cart? In Australia, we call it trolley. It's different.
Не связанные вещи. Вот так.
Меньше просвечивать.
Может быть, нам предложат сейчас повысить.
Нет, это да.
Wait, say no. Say it in English.
Dito dyan o ilang dito?
Okay yan,
Say no in English.
nakapak siya.
To say no.
Okay.
Yeah, in Australia we say like no. Opposite. N-A-U-R. It's hard not speaking Australian English. I'm not used to it. And I have to get rid of my accent to make it a straight American accent. Otherwise you cannot understand. Isabel learns American. I learn Australian. You know, I used to know Tagalog when I was younger. But then, when I was in school, I spoke Tagalog. And everyone was so confused because when I was younger, I knew like English, Tagalog, Vietnamese, Spanish, Japanese, and Russian. And in school, I spoke all of them at once. So it's a mix, and no one understands. So then my parents say only English now, and then I forget everything. Yeah, that's why I only speak English. How long have you been studying English? What grade are you? When do you become year 6? When are you year 6? We might come to Philippines next year.
on s'approchait qu'elle est dans le watch.
Ah,
Yeah,
ours is 10, so we have 4 terms.
good.
And then after 1 term, we have 2 months break. And then second term, we have 2 weeks break. Third term, 2 weeks break.
Что такое?
After the fourth term,
Ну, что ты думала?
Вообще просто так. Я не потому что я там просто.
after the fourth term, we have 5 weeks break. So that this one is third term, and then 2 weeks. And then this coming on is the fourth term. And then we have 5 weeks from Christmas to end of January. Yeah, very long. So we might go to Philippines 4 days a week.
Lapit na.
Hanapin pa ba yung ticket dito yun?
Opo.
You know, when me and him went to the
Tapos immigration tayo, passport.
yeah, we did.
Kada po immigration may passport check. Bigyan tayo ng visa.
Only once.
At Macau, mga 30 days for Filipinos. Filipino passport holder. 30 days Macau.
And then
Hong Kong 14 days na.
I got very, very
Gusto
scared.
mag-extend kung bayad ko ng ano, immigration. Approach yung Macau, immigration.
I was so scared.
Kaya pa,
It's very, very hard.
oh Isabel, she awake?
Tulog silang dalawa. Tulog silang dalawa.
Be, almost.
Sabi niya si Isabel lang.
Almost, be.
Kala ko si Isabel na.
Good morning.
It's about
Longest under sleeping. Dito kasi walang contractor dito, walang contractor.
sleeping.
Walang kurakot na.
Galing pa rin ibang pag yung mga bawa.
And then look,
Ano rito? Depend.
Talagang ano sila.
Sleeping
Kasi ang casino eh.
Seriously. Kapag may bagyo ang Hong Kong, yung mga tao hindi binibili ng government. Unless
So you have
pinas
more
na
energy to walk later.
Tugyan mo ang sisi.
Uminom ka naman kami. If you're tired, okay, I will carry you. Here.
When I sit up for a while, my legs hurt. When I stop for a while, my legs hurt.
Really? Until now?
各位乘客，本班车即将到达目的地，
Maybe to
为了您的安全着想，车辆未停运时，请 禁止离开座
We're
位。
not approaching.
离开车厢前，请有序带其所有行李及个人物品下车过关。感谢乘坐港珠澳大桥穿梭巴士。各位乘客，本班車即將到達目的地，為免安全着想，車裏長期設置禁止離開座位。離開車廂前請記得提取所有行李嘅個人物品落車過關。多謝乘坐港珠澳大橋穿梭巴士。Dear passengers, our bus is about to reach its destination. For your safety, please remain seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. Before disembarking, make sure to take all your luggage and personal belongings with you. Thank you for traveling with the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge Shuttle Bus.
Okay. Decide and then you find a nice stop.
Without Macau.
But I don't wear much, only like
Yeah.
lip balm.
Видишь,
Ay, may Spanish ko kaya yung mga road sign nila, may Spanish yung road.
Spanish.
Spanish. No.
There's a Spanish
Spanish. Kasi kaya mga road sign nila may Spanish.
Нет, ну надо было.
Portuguese ba?
Ay, Portuguese pala, sorry, Portuguese.
Japanese.
Portuguese.
I can read Japanese.
Portugal pala ito. Spanish. Kaya